A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Student, in today's class, I am going to start a new chapter number 5, repeat command and procedures in Logo. In this chapter, you will learn repeat command, drawing polygons, drawing circle, creating and editing a procedure, saving a procedure, loading a procedure. So we will cover these 6 topics in this chapter. So let us start today's class. Open page number 50, chapter number 5, repeat command and procedure in Logo. You have learned to write commands in Logo to draw figures and perform arithmetic calculation. Right? In the previous chapter, you have learned different types of commands in Logo, just like FD command, BK command, LT, RT, HT, ST, pen PT, pen PPT, pen erase, and so on. Now you are aware about Logo. We can say that you can aware about Logo and its command and how we write Logo. You are aware. Now you are aware about this. If you want to repeat the same set of commands, you need to write them again in the input box. If you want to repeat any command, then what happens? You can type that commands again and again. In order to avoid a repetition of commands, Logo provides you with 2 options. To avoid this repetition, Logo provides 2 commands, repeat command and procedure command. So let us learn one by one. Page number 51, repeat command. The repeat command is used to repeat a group of statement multiple times. Means repeat command is used to repeat a group of command, repeat any commands multiple times, more than one times. If you want to repeat any commands 4 times, then no need to write that commands 4 times. Just use repeat command. Understood? Repeat command. I repeat once again. Repeat command is used to repeat a group of statement multiple times. Repeat command is used to repeat any set of commands again and again, more than 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right? The steps for using the repeat command are as follows. The first step is write the command name repeat followed by a space. The first step is write repeat, 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 and after that give a single space. Next, step 2, specify the number of times you want to repeat the command followed by a space. Means after type the repeat command, give single space, and after that type the number of times you have to repeat the command. Type the number of times you have to repeat that command and give a single space. Step 3, write the list of commands to be repeated in a square bracket. After that, start a square bracket, then write your commands. Suppose I write here FD 90 RT, so FD 100 RT 90, and after typing the command, close the square bracket and press enter. You can see a square is created. I repeat once again. Repeat. If we don't want to use the repeat command, then how we draw the square? Look, have a look. First of all, FD 100, then RT 90, then again FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100. So this, in this way we have draw the square. But if we use the repeat command, then how we, then if we use repeat command, then no need to write this command 4 times. Just use REPEAT, repeat, single space, specify the number of time you have to repeat that command, then single space, start square bracket, write your commands which you have to repeat, and close the square bracket. After closing the square bracket, you can click on execute button, or you can click or you can press square enter button, right? Something is different here, RT मिस्टेक हुई है, यहाँ पे हमने FD 1000 लिख दिया है. Repeat space number of times space square FD 100 RT 90 square bracket close, press enter. Understood? Now example number 2. Let us consider another example that illustrates the use of the repeat command. You need to write the following command to draw the figure shown in figure 5.2. Open page number 52. You can see on page number 52 one figure is there, figure number 5.2. Now we can use both command. We can draw this figure with repeat command or without repeat command. So what is the FD 50, FD 50, RT 90, FD 30, LT 90. Again FD 50, RT 90, FD 30, LT 90. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again FD 50, RT 90, FD 30, LT 90. Right? So in this way, and last one ST. So in this way we have this image. But now I am going to draw this figure with repeat command. Just write REPEAT, repeat, single space. How many times we repeat this command? 3 times. Then specify number 3, single space, square bracket on, type FD 50, RT 90, FD 30, LT 90. Close the square bracket and press enter. So understood? Now page number 52, practice zone. Type the following commands, draw the figure in the box given to the next command. So repeat 4, REPEAT, repeat 4, FD 20, PU, FD 5, PD. Close. Right? This types of figure. So draw this figure in this box. Now page number 53. Repeat command is very useful for drawing geometrical shapes such as triangle, rectangle and so on. You have already seen the use of repeat command to draw a square. For drawing a square having 4 sides, the turtle has to turn through 90 units, 360 by 4 is equal to 90. In general, for drawing a shape with n side, the turning angle is 360 by n. So, for example, to draw a shape with three side, the turning angle will be use 360 by 3. It means that angle is depend on the number of side in a polygon. Divide 360 by the number of the sides in a polygon. If you want to draw triangle, then 360 divided by 3. If you want to draw square, then 360 angle divided by 4. And if you want to draw pentagon, then 5, hexagon, then 6, septagon 7, and octagon by 8. You can see on the table. Just look, have a look. I type each command one by one. Repeat 3, FD 70, and RT 120. Why 120? Because when you divide 360 by 3, then the result will come 120. That's why we use here 120 angle. Square bracket close. Right now, square. Repeat REPEAT. Repeat 4 times. Square bracket on. FD 50, RT 90. Why RT 90? Because when you divide 360 by 4, the result will 90. Oh, the spelling is wrong. Repeat. REPAT. Right now, pentagon. Repeat REPAT. Repeat space 5 side. In pentagon there are 5 side. FD 70, RT 360 divided by 5. Answer is 72. Then RT is 72. Right. Hexagon. Repeat. How many sides? 6. Then repeat command 6, FD 70, RT 360 divided by 6, 60 degree. Right. Next, septagon. Repeat 7, FD FD 70, RT 51. By 51, when you divide 360 by 7, the answer will come 51. And last one is octagon. Repeat space. How many sides in an octagon? There is 8 sides. That's why number of repetition is 8. Square bracket on. FD 70, RT 45. Why RT 45? Because when we divide 360, then answer will come 45. 45, square bracket close, press enter. So I hope you understand the use of the repeat command. Now turn the page. Drawing a circle. You can also use the repeat command for drawing circle. To draw a circle, the unit by which the turtle should turn must add up to 360. Example number 1. Repeat 360. How we draw a circle? So what is the command? Repeat space 360 and FD1 RT1. To get a bigger circle, you can increase the numbers of unit with the FD command as shown in figure 5.4. Repeat 360 space FD2 RT1. Repeat 360. Why we are using 360? Because in circle there is no sides. 360 repeat, sorry, FD 3 RT 1, right? So in this way we can use repeat command. I hope you understand. Practice it at home, and if you have any confusion, then ask me through message or call.